An analog signal is band limited to 4 kHz, sampled at a Nyquist rate, and samples are quantized into 4 levels. The quantized levels are assumed to be independent and equally probable. If we transmit 2 quantized samples per second, the information rate is in bits per second. The options given are 1 bit per second, 2 bits per second, 3 bits per second, or 4 bits per second. Here, see, he's first saying that analog signal is 4 kHz band limited. Means let us take some analog signal. Let us take it like this. In frequency domain I am drawing. Okay. Let us take analog signal of 4 kHz. Some 4 kHz. Okay. Fine. Frequency. Now it is sampled at Nyquist rate. What is Nyquist rate? Nyquist sampling rate equal to Nyquist rate is equal to 2 times bandwidth. This is a standard formula, right? If we want to sample anything, any analog signal is sampled. What do you mean by sampling? Sampling means taking the samples of x of t. See, x of t be the inverse Fourier transform of x of f. Means what x of t looks like, let us say like this. Okay, time. Now what do you mean by samples? Sampling means taking the samples at some different times. 1, 2, 3. These points are called the samples, right? But only you cannot take this far. One sample is here and another sample is here. Then you cannot reconstruct this path. A minimum sampling rate is required, that is Nyquist rate. If we sample at 2 times bandwidth, then you can recover the whole signal again. That is what Nyquist rate says. Okay, now it is sampled at 2 times bandwidth, Nyquist rate, which means 2 into 4 kilo is how much? 8 kilo samples per second is the sampling rate. Samples per second. Now what has he asked? Each sample is quantized. Each sample is having 4 levels quantization. Means first of all, he is sampling it and the level can be anything. He is having 4 quantizer. Means let us say the samples are whatever may be the height. Okay. They are categorized into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heights. Okay. If the sample is more than this height, if the sample is here, then it is brought to here. If the sample is here, it is brought to here. If it is exactly middle, you can give it to anything. If it is slightly upper than this, it will go for this. You understood now? These are the boundary conditions. See, for example, anything here it is, let us say, then it is shifted to here. It is quantized to here. Any sample of height, this much height is coming to here. Okay. So there are 4 quantization levels. How many bits do we need to represent each quantization level? Here there are 4. Therefore 2 bits are enough. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right. See, if we want to represent, if there are m quantization levels, then number of bits needed are log m to the base 2. You understood? There are 4 quantization levels. Therefore number of bits needed are log 4 to the base 2 is how much? 2. 2 bits are needed for representing each quantization level. Now, see, first of all, the procedure is x of t is given. Now we are sampling it. Each sample we got, and each sample we should represent by bits. Okay, each sample is how much? Let us say, for example, here we got this much like this. Okay, let us say these are the values when you have sampled. For us some signal 3 points I am taking. Okay, now this when you plot it here, let us say this is 1, 2, 3. My quantization levels say that first one should go to 0, 0. Let us say, okay, this bit is represented by, this 2 is represented by 0, 1. Let us say this should go to 1, 1. Let us say, okay, and this should go to 0, 1. Like this I got, or this may be 1.1. This is 3.5. This is 1.2. What should 1.2 go? 1.2 should go to 2 or 1. It should go to 1. Therefore, I gave it as 1. Okay, that is 0, 1. 3.5 is above all. So, it is mapped to 3. Okay. Now, 1.1, where is it? 1.1 is nearer to 1 than 2 in this. Therefore, it is given to 1. Okay, this sample is represented by bits, 2 bits. And how many bits he is sending per second? He is sending 2 quantized samples per second. See here. If we transmit 2 quantized samples per second, the information rate is, see, we are transmitting 2 quantized samples per second, which means 4 bits in 1 second, right? Therefore, the information rate is 4 bits per second. You understood? Here, there is no point in dealing with the Nyquist rate, the bandwidth of the signal. These are all not needed. Just we should do the quantized levels are assumed to be independent and equiparable and have 4 level quantizer. It is a 4 level quantizer implies 2 bits are needed for each sample, and we are sending 2 samples per second. Therefore, 2 samples, 1 sample needs 2 bits. 2 samples needs 4 bits. Therefore, information rate is 4 bits per second. So, D is the